Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make multiple Excel sheets into one sheet. This easy method will transform your data management. Imagine having dozens of individual sheets, each with important information. Instead of tedious copy-pasting, we will explore a powerful, built-in Excel feature. This approach saves you hours and ensures accuracy, making your data analysis much smoother and more reliable. Let's dive in and simplify your workflow. Before we combine our data, a little preparation goes a long way. First, make sure every sheet you plan to merge has exactly the same column headers. This consistency is crucial for a smooth consolidation. Next, gather all your individual Excel files into a single, dedicated folder on your computer. This organization simplifies the import process significantly. Finally, double-check that each sheet contains only the relevant data you want to bring together. These steps ensure a perfect merge. Now for the magic. Open a brand new, blank Excel workbook. Head over to the Data tab in the ribbon. From there, click Get Data, then from File, and finally, select from Folder. Browse to the folder where you saved all your individual Excel files. Power Query will then preview your files. You can combine and transform them, then load the consolidated data directly into your new sheet. It's incredibly efficient and powerful. Once your data is combined, take a moment to review the new master sheet. Check for any discrepancies or missing information to ensure everything looks perfect. One of the greatest benefits of this method is its refreshability. If your source files are updated, simply click Refresh All in the Data tab, and your consolidated sheet will automatically update. This provides a dynamic, single source of truth for all your analysis, saving you countless hours of manual updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.